Novo 3rd generation day and night honeycomb skylight assembly. Material list. Motor rail. Deduction 56 mm. Drive rail. Deduction 87 mm. 2 PCs. Traction rail. Deduction 65 mm. 2 PCs. Day blinds and night blinds. Deduction 65 mm. U-shape cover. T-shape cover, optional. Main drive unit. Ancillary drive unit. Hex angular bar. Deduction 260 mm. Dual motor. Transmitter 1.4 mm cord. Guiding system 10.0 mm belt. Day blinds carrier. Night blinds carrier. Put belt inside of rail groove. Down groove firstly. Upper groove secondly. 10.0 mm belt. From down groove to main drive unit. Install purple day blinds carrier. Install belt lock. Put carrier inside of down groove. Press main drive unit with rail. Flush carrier with rail. Cut another side belt at 60 mm point. Then pass through ancillary drive unit. Make sure right side. Install purple day blinds carrier. Install belt lock. Put carrier inside of down groove. Install another belt. Belt from upper groove to main drive unit. Press main drive unit with rail. Install white night blinds carrier. Install belt lock. Put carrier inside of upper groove. Flush carrier with rail. Cut another side belt at 60 mm point. Then belt pass through ancillary drive unit. Install white night blinds carrier. Install belt lock. Put carrier inside of upper groove. Fix short carrier arm with purple carrier. Fix long carrier arm with white carrier. Pull carriers to check smooth or not. Now install another drive rail. Put belt inside from another down groove. It is different down groove with first drive rail. Other steps are same with first drive rail. Pull carriers to check smooth or not. Pull 2 rail carriers at the same time. Hex angular hole running directions are opposite. Install guiding system. According to the rope winder base holes. To make holes on motor rail. Position hole should be in the middle and not less than 5 mm. The base pass through the groove. Then clip into position hole. When disassemble base, use straight screwdriver to pry. There are holes on 2 sides. You can choose any one. To make holes on motor rail. After making hole, check this hole and rope hole flush or not. According to the rope hole. Put winder from left or right side. Rope past the hole, then tie a knot. There should be half circle as video. Another side pass through rope hole. Put fabric into motor rail groove. Steel needle pass through fabric holes. Put rope inside of the hole. Install spring with bracket. Use pliers to fix. Fabric rope pass through the hole. Then fix with spring and tie a knot. Install traction bar with fabric. At the same time, put bracket into traction bar. After fabric inserting, leave half circle winder. Use hex angular bar to roll winder. Now final installation. Insert traction bar 2 side into carrier. Connect motor rail with drive unit. Way for 2 side is same. Frap fabric by hand. Insert hex bars into main drive unit. Insert hex bars into motor hole. Now install night blinds hex bar. Hex bar go across winder. And roll 2 circles to ensure rope is tight. Then insert hex bar into motor hole. Insert joiner into hex bar. Install day blinds hex bar and joiner. Insert short hex bars into drive unit. Fix joiners and screw. Now can use U or T-shape cover. Can screw at 2 mm from all drive unit edge, and edge of U-shape cover. 1 screw for main drive unit side. Can be 2 screw for ancillary drive unit. 2.6 multiplied by 10 mm screw. Remarks. Use guiding system when width is more than 1 meter. When fixed to side, can screw at rail middle position. Clean scraps when you making holes. Do not let scraps go into belt groove. Test and make sure carrier has enough running space. When fixed to top, can screw at rail side position. Clean scraps. Do not let scraps go into belt groove. Test. 7.7 multiplied by 24 mm screw. Other options are according to site. When width is more than 1.5 meters or length is more than 4.7 meters, use steel to avoid fabric fall. Use 1.0 meters steel cord to go across motor cover. Fabric and U-shape cover by circle. Connect with spring and fix and tight with aluminum sheath on 2 sides. Finally, the wire should be straight and the spring should be fully open to hold fabric.